Ooh, that's not good. Pretty far, is it? Yeah, mine is far on this side too. It is far. Oh wait. Uh-oh. You know what? I think the bolt will do the back like this. That'd be smarter. Okay. So I think what we do first. Say what's on your mind, bro.
Why is this shit so tedious? This shit is just so unnecessarily difficult for no reason.
Should go in pretty easily. What's up, guys? What it do? Another day, another mid video. But here you guys can see that we've been working on the RX-7 once again, and this time we're not doing the wide body because it's pretty much complete. We're doing a front bumper swap. So obviously from the earlier clips you can see that we got a new front bumper, and it was kind of a struggle to put it on, but it wasn't the worst job I've ever done. Obviously it's not fully complete yet. This still needs to be mounted. The flash to pass lenses are mounted, but they don't really fit the greatest. I don't know, I might be able to make some modifications to change that. I had to take out the S4 turn signals because these turn signals is for S5, so I'm about to actually go buy a set of S5 turn signals to throw into this bumper. But besides that, you know, everything is pretty much mounted where it should be. It's mounted to the fender. The side skirts are back on because we had to take off the side skirts to fit this bumper on because the fender side still had to come off. So basically, the car, once everything is put on completely and secured down, we're pretty much ready for paint, guys. And I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. That might be a while until we get there, of course, but once everything's on, I'm gonna do a little bit more body work just to touch up all the imperfections as much as I can, and then paint will be next. I might probably make some more content and drive it around the way it is now, and probably just keep it like this until I am painting the car, or until I get it painted, I mean. But pretty much the next era of the FC is here. You guys saw what it was at stock body, and basically what, you know, I went into the wide body, which was my last couple of videos. So again, the wide body is completed and it's on. Gotta add a couple more rivets onto the rear quarter panels. That's not a hard job to do though. We obviously have the flared front fenders. But yeah, here's just another look at the FC. We'll go all the way around just to give you guys the best idea of where we're at. Boom. Wide body kit on. It's not really a kit, I guess, but wide body is installed. Let's back up here. We got the front bumper. I think this is a Border front bumper. That's the brand. A pretty nice front bumper, pretty cool looking front bumper. So I think once this thing gets painted, it's about to look super sick. Obviously, some point we'll get back into engine work, but debating if I should change anything about the rear end. Of course, we have the Kaminari wing matched with the bumper. Don't know if I ever want to modify this bumper at all to change something. Don't know if I want to get rid of the wing and throw a big wing on. I don't know. You guys let me know. Aside from all that, just gonna continue fixing up and putting together all the little pieces back together, just so I can at least drive the car again. And once I'm done with this body, we're going back to content, of course, on the other cars that we have on the channel. And honestly, probably some more just driving and lifestyle videos of just going out with the homies and, I don't know, meets and whatever else we go to. So yeah. Alright guys, so we just picked up these S5 front turn signals from a friend of mine. So these were missing in the front bumper because the S4s don't fit on this front bumper, so I had to get the S5s, and I just picked them up like 10 minutes ago. So let's go put these in. Alright guys, so after drilling, of course, had to drill in the bumper to get the mounting points for the screws and hook them in. It works. You guys won't know, but behind each screw on the S4 bumper, there are these metal clips that kind of hold the screws in. I just took those off the old bumper in the garage and I slipped them onto the slots that I drilled, and then I reused them, and I think it just secures the screws just a little bit better, so holds in the lights. So this is what the front bumper is looking like now. Quick update, I tapped in the sides, but ooh, guys, the FC looks amazing. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Obviously, you come up too close to it, you can see all the imperfections, but overall look, I'm very happy with it. What's up guys? So it's actually the next 2 days since you guys saw me put together the FC. But today we're actually going to Connor's house because we're gonna go check out the Cressida. I think today we're just gonna do some hanging out, and I'm gonna just take you guys along. I have the FC warming up. Don't mind this thing. This thing, yeah, just don't worry about this thing. Here we go, guys. FC is warming up, and we're actually gonna go over to Connor's right now. Goodbye, FD. Alright guys, so we're here at Connor's house with the Cressida. As you guys can see, we pretty much finished the manual swap, and we've just been driving it around here and there just to make sure everything drives the way it should. And of course, we still have the body kit to put on. We'll get to that eventually. But I'm glad that this thing can actually drive, and we did the job. Okay, you might need a little more.
Might need a little more?
Yeah, a little more. Yeah, I think that's good. No, I think you're good, I think you're good. So right now, obviously, Connor's over here, and he's going to wash the Cressida because it desperately needs a wash. As you guys can see,
It's not that bad.
oh, we got some dents going on here.
It's not that bad.
It's looking like we got some doo-doo stains. Oh, we don't even want to look at the top, guys. We got some more stains up here. You guys can't even tell how dirty it is on camera. All right, guys, so we're gonna get to cleaning, and you guys can go ahead and watch.
Man, look at all that dirt, bro.